Week 2 is over. So this is your week 2 update. This week was quite a bit slower than last week. I think last week I really benefited from having some work that I scheduled when I was still at my job. I kind of scheduled things out for a couple weeks to build that 1 week up. This week I was only at 58% of replacement money. So down quite a bit from last week. I had one cancellation and that really hurt me. That was like my 1 day's worth of work. So that's like 20% right there. That would have been a big boost. So one thing I learned is I really think I'm gonna have to start taking deposits, because once someone schedules with me, I'm blocking my time off and I can't schedule someone else during that time. So like I'm committing to them. So the last retail customer that I booked, I did ask for a deposit and they were completely cool with it. So I think what's going to happen is that'll probably weed out the people who aren't willing to commit that time to me like I'm willing to commit to them. So hopefully that's going to be a positive change. Another change is I hit up some independent dealers. So I'll probably be putting a video out soon just about that whole situation, so y'all watch that. So I did have a small percentage that came from independent dealer instead of retail, and then also subcontracting for another dent company is where a nice chunk of that money came from too this week. Week 2 is in the books, down a bit, and I think how I'm going to adjust moving forward is I'm going to bump up my advertising spend. I think as time goes on, I'll have to advertise less and less, as I get more customers, meet more people, meet more friends, more reviews. All that stuff is going to help me be able to spend less on advertising to get that amount of work. So that's where I'm going to adjust this weekend. Hopefully we'll see the positive effects of that soon. That's the hope, but we don't know. We're figuring it out as we go. All right, I appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.